What is up, guys? It's Mike from Armor Woodworks by Mike. I want to say hey to all my sawdust peeps out there, sawdust startup peeps. Got several of you guys coming in mine. I can't wait, boy. Greg's already up in town in North Carolina from Florida. We're going to get some breakfast in the morning at the Waffle House. Some Southern. I'm a hillbilly, ain't I? Hey, I'm going to show you the shop. I'm going to pick up this. Wait a minute. What y'all think about this? I got that new twirly camera. Look at there. I turn this way. I can walk this way. Got my mic on right there. I can talk, not scream no more. But hey, you know me. I like to pick up the phone. Nick Soto. You listening, Nick Soto? Is it level? Nick? Is it level? It's level now. Nick said always keep your camera level. Hey, look at here. Look what we got going on. Ooh, we gonna make some sawdust tomorrow. Robert's bringing up some toys that we can play with. Maybe some things I ain't never seen before. Maybe we can learn something from each other. We're gonna talk woodworking. And we're gonna talk Jesus if you want to. I want to. Me and Greg gonna talk about it at breakfast in the morning. I talk Jesus every day. Jesus is a good thing. Y'all know that? He's a good thing. I hope he's in your life. But hey, look at there. Them cabinets I got installed, baby. Oop. Get back down here, Michael, and talk to the people. I'm crazy, man. I'm crazy. But we all good to go. Got the laser room ready to go. Been cutting out some more home plates tonight. But hey, gonna see y'all in a little bit in the morning. I wish everybody could come, but we're working on something to get everybody here. Maybe a different location next time so we're a little bit closer. Maybe move all around the country. You never know. Because we like that at Sawdust Startups. Hey, a big shout out to Matt Outlaw and Nick Soto and Greg Oak. We appreciate y'all putting all this stuff together for us. Because it's one heck of a community. I'm telling you, I'm going to share this because I'm going to try to promote it everywhere I can. You know what video I'm going to do next? I'm going to show y'all how I sell in person. I'm going to create a video on that. I think it'd be good. Because I'll sell something. Boy, I'll sell ice to an Eskimo. I sell them ice, baby. Ice water to an Eskimo. Now, you know that's something. If you can do that, I'm going to try it. Because I love it. I'm a crazy fool, but I love my sawdust peeps. And I can't wait to meet the guys tomorrow. And we're going to have some fun tomorrow. Hey, I'm out. This is Mike from Armor Woodworks by Mike. See y'all on the next video. I'm out of here. Later, guys.